Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix video recording not working on Realme 16. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold side power button. After just click and hold side power button and you will see swipe up and restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management and scroll down and click on camera app. After click on camera app, if you want to fix this problem, click on forward stop. After click on forward stop, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on storage usage. After click on storage usage, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, you will see your problem is solved. Go back to home screen, you will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, last solution is software update. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on apps. Click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix video recording not working on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.